How many silver coins of diameter 5 cm and thickness 4 mm have to be melted to prepare a cuboid of 12 cm into 11 cm into 5 cm dimension? Solution: according to the given problem, the silver coins are melted and converted into cuboid. Diameter of silver coin D is equal to 5 cm. Radius of silver coin R is equal to D by 2. That is equal to 5 by 2. That is equal to 2.5 cm. Thickness of silver coin is equal to 4 mm. That is equal to 0.4 cm. The volume of silver coin is to be found out to make the cuboid with exact count of silver coins. Volume is equal to pi r square h. That is equal to 22 by 7 into 2.5 square into 0.4. That is equal to 22 by 7 into 2.5 into 2.5 into 0.4. That is equal to 11 into 5 divided by 7. Cuboid dimensions is equal to 12 cm into 11 cm into 5 cm. Volume of cuboid is equal to LBH. That is equal to 12 into 11 into 5. The cuboid volume depends on the number of coins melted. So, volume of cuboid is equal to number of silver coins into volume of each silver coin. Therefore, number of silver coins is equal to volume of cuboid by volume of each silver coin. That is equal to 12 into 11 into 5 divided by 11 into 5 by 7. That is equal to 12 into 7. That is equal to 84.